Ever notice how yawning is contagious? When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons light up. Yep, the same ones that spark empathy. But yawning isn't just about boredom or tiredness. It actually cools your brain, keeping you sharp and alert. Who knew? So, contagious yawning? It's a quirky mix of biology and social bonding. Your brain's basically saying, hey, we're in this together. And it's not just humans. Chimps and even dogs catch the yawn bug. Imagine your dog judging your yawns like, really? Again? So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of cooling off and saying, we're all connected. Now, try not to yawn watching this.